Hey guys, Nick. Today we're here back. Today we're gonna do an unboxing and review of two pop figures. First up is Call of Duty Juggernaut. We're gonna unbox this guy first. So, right there. And yeah, I'll show you. Here's the top, it just shows his face, pop, games. The side, so it just shows a picture of him. The other side just says his name. And the back shows all the ones that you collect. Leave in the comments down below which ones do you have. Don't forget to it. So I got this for Christmas. And I got these shoes for Christmas, which I'm wearing right now. Put them on. Okay, now let's unbox it. My bad. It just fell off the package. Here it is. He has pretty good details. Oh, and this says ages 17 and up. I had radio 17 and up. The game is like rated X. Maybe that's right. So yeah. That's the front. He has the right foot shoes. Face. He has pretty cool details on the shoes and stuff. See, he's pretty awesome. I like him a lot. Just put him to the side. And I like keeping the boxes and these things. So, right there. Then we have. Leave in the comments down below which one do you think you're going to have. I'll give you 5 seconds. Sides, same thing, and these are the ones I can collect. Yep, so now get to it. That's okay, dudes. And yeah, so now, here we go. Here's the screen cap. It has a lot of details. Like, by a lot, I mean a lot of details. A lot of details. So, you can see the wiring on his head. One ear's missing, which is pretty sad. The eyeballs, the teeth, the whole body has great details. Here's the back. Still not that much detail, but still, it's awesome. There's the arms right there. Yeah, so it's pretty awesome. And I really like these pops. Like, these two pops are pretty awesome, and I wanted them. And yeah. So, leave in the comments down below which ones do you like more? Springtrap or the Juggernaut, I think. Yeah, Juggernaut. Leave in the comments down below how do you pronounce this name? Juggernaut. Something like that. So yeah. I'm gonna do this series of pops, and it's gonna be the pop drop. It's gonna be pop drop unboxings, and yeah. So it's gonna be a series. So I already did one, which was the Nemo. Let me just show you it. Okay, so I think in all, I have like 5 pops. So I have the Nemo. See, the lucky fin broke off, but I don't care. So cute. And then I have Crossbones. And then I have the 2 new ones. And these. And I know I said 5, but the other one is in the top shelf, which sucks. I really tried to get something before I can reach it. So yeah, I got the pop right here, the Batman pop. So let me just show you them. Batman, Wait. Got the Batman pop. Nemo pop. Juggernaut. Crossbones. And Springtrap. Leave in the comments down below which ones do you like. Springtrap, Crossbones, Batman, Juggernaut, and Nemo. Yeah. And leave it in the comments down below which one's your favorite from these two series. Those and those. Yeah. Ender Gamer here. Peace out.